Before we move on to some of the meat of this conversation, I think I was talking to somebody recently about mixed use and the facade and what it'll look like. A lot of people are intimidated by having to find the right vendor to go do a facade makeover, because there's not every general contractor, the normal general contractor that does your rehab on your 3 or 6 flat or 4 flat is not the same guy you'd hire. Any tips or advice that you give our listeners that might want to rehab a mixed use, that they have a facade to actually update?
Yeah, start with, driving the neighborhoods. And when you do see someone working on a facade, start with walking out there and introducing yourself and talking to that general contractor. This is an amazingly in touch with people, personal people to people business. And I think that some of the best contacts I've ever made in terms of like construction are being at a site or seeing something and then talking to them and then getting their information and having them bid it out because I saw their work already. And because I was able to see their work already on the spot, then and there, I was able to make a determination as to whether or not I really even wanted to get a bid from them. And that's a big part of it right there.